Good morning प्यारे बच्चों. I am Lakhan Kumar, your math teacher. Today we will discuss about the practical geometry exercise 10.4 of your math book. In this exercise we have to construct a triangle with the help of three measures of two angles and one side. Okay, it means it is ASA creation. ASA creation, that means two angles are given there and one side is given there. Clear? For example, construct a triangle XYZ if XY is equals to 6 centimeter, angle ZXY is equals to 30 degree and angle XYZ is equals to 100 degree. Okay, now we have to draw a rough sketch of it. Firstly, we have to draw a rough sketch of it. For example, I roughly draw a triangle that is X, Y and Z, where XY is equals to 6 centimeter, angle ZXY, ZXY, it means this, mid पे create होगा ना, तो 30 degree and angle XYZ, XYZ mid पे create होगा, that means 100 degree centigrade. Okay, now we have to construct it with the help of ruler, compass or pencil, or we can also use the protractor. First of all, we draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. XY is equals to 6 centimeter. A line segment of 6 centimeter, that is XY. Okay, now we have to use the protractor to draw the angles 30 degree and 100 degree at X and Y. We use the protractor, draw an angle of 30 degree, 30 degree at X, 30 degree at X. This is okay. Meet this line. This angle is 30 degree. Next one, we have to draw an angle of 100 degree at Y. Degree at Y. This is, and meet the line. Increase the line till then. Second line of 100 degree. These lines are intersecting here, and this point is Z, and this is the triangle XYZ. Now we have to write the steps of construction. So steps are, you can see here. First of all, draw a line segment of 6 centimeter, that is XY, or first of all we have to draw a rough sketch. Okay, first we draw a rough sketch of given measurement. Okay, second, draw line segment XY is equals to 6 centimeter. Third one, third is at X draw a ray making an angle of 30 degree. Okay, at X draw an angle of 30 degree, draw an angle of 30 degree with XY, है ना. Fourth one, at Y, draw an angle of 100 degree with XY. Okay. The intersecting point of both lines is Z. Okay, and it is the required triangle XYZ. Okay, these are the points of construction or steps of construction. Now, first question of exercise 10.4. First question of exercise 10.4. Construct triangle ABC given measurement 60 degree. Question number 1. Construct triangle ABC, okay, with given measurement. Angle A is equals to 60 degree, angle B is equals to 30 degree, and AB is equals to 5.8 centimeter. Now we draw the rough sketch of it. A, B and C. AB is equals to 5.8 centimeter, angle A is equals to 60 degree, angle B is equals to 30 degree. Okay, it is the triangle as same in example. Okay, we have to use same steps to draw this triangle with the help of example. Okay, so you can draw it easily. Next one, question number 2. Construct triangle PQR if PQ is equals to 5 centimeter and angle triangle PQR where PQ is equals to 5 centimeter, angle PQR is equals to 105 and angle QRP is equals to 40 degree. Okay, अब हम इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ अ रफ स्केच ऑफ इट. अब रफ स्केच हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो PQR is equals to 5 centimeter and PQR is equals to 105 degree and QRP is equals to 40 degree. Clear? Now you have to draw this triangle. First of all, we draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Line segment of 5 centimeter. Line segment of 5 centimeter and it is PQ 5 centimeter. Now draw an angle of 105 degree at Q. 105 degree at Q. So 105 degree at Q. Okay, 105 degree at Q. Draw this angle. This is the angle that has 105 degree measurement. Okay, now we have to draw second 40 degree at R, but we don't have the point R. So what we have to do, we don't have the measurement of angle P. You can recall the knowledge of angle sum property of triangle. That is, you know that angle P plus Q plus R is equals to 180 degree. Okay, here angle P we have to calculate, angle Q we have 105 and angle R is equals to 40 degree 180. Angle P is equals to 105 and 40, 145 minus 145. Then angle P is equals to 180 minus 145 is equals to 35. ओके 35 डिग्री. क्लियर. तो 35 डिग्री हमारे पास हो गया. तो अपने को पता लग गया एंगल P इज इक्वल टू 35. यू कैन ड्रॉ इट इजिली. हियर वी प्लेस द प्रोटेक्टर and draw angle 35. This is 35 and meet the line. Clear. And this angle is 35. Clear. And this point is R. That angle automatically 40 degree होगा ना. You can measurement it. Measure this. So this angle is automatically 40 degree. Clear. Next one, you can draw the you can write the steps of construction of this triangle also. Next one is question number 3 of exercise 10.4. Estimate whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is equals to 7.2 degree, angle E is equals to 110 degree, and angle F is equals to 80 degree. Triangle DEF is EF is equals to 7.2 degree 2 centimeter, angle E is equals to 110 degree, and angle F is equals to 80 degree. Now you have to know that this triangle can be possible or not. So if we calculate the angle third, that is angle D, then we have to use angle sum property of triangle. That is the angle of the sum of the three angles is equals to 180 degree. Angle D plus E 110 or angle F 80 degree. Clear. Then angle D is equals to 180 minus 190. It means minus 10. Angle can't be in negative. Okay. In a triangle. तो हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल में एंगल नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. या फिर हम ये दे सकते थे एंगल E प्लस एंगल F इज इक्वल टू 110 प्लस 80 इज इक्वल टू 190 एंड इट इज ग्रेटर देन 180. तो थर्ड एंगल क्या होगा? थर्ड एंगल तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. तो इसका मतलब तीनों एंगल्स का सम क्या होना चाहिए? ट्राइंगल में 180 होना चाहिए. तो दिस ट्राइंगल कांट बी पॉसिबल. सो हम इसमें इतना लिखेंगे, दिस ट्राइंगल कांट बी पॉसिबल, cannot be possible. Clear? This is the statement. अब हमारे पास ये तीनों क्वेश्चंस थे एक्सरसाइज 10.4 की. Okay, you can do this exercise with the help of this video. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.